If you're seeing Epic Games error code 19007, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through what it means and how to fix it quickly. This error usually points to an invalid, expired, or incorrectly entered redemption code. So the good news is that the solution is often pretty simple. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to check the code, confirm the right redemption site, and make sure you're signed into the correct Epic Games account before trying again. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's understand what error code 19007 actually means. In most cases, Epic Games is telling you that the code you entered cannot be accepted as is. That could be because the code was typed incorrectly, the code has already expired, or you're trying to redeem it in the wrong place. So the first thing to do is carefully check the code character by character. Look for easy-to-miss mistakes like mixing up a 0 in the letter O, a 1 in the letter I, or adding an extra space at the beginning or end. If you copied the code from an email or website, paste it somewhere safe first and compare it with the original before trying again. Next, make sure the code has not expired. Some Epic Games redemption codes are time-sensitive, and if the offer has ended, the code may no longer work. If you receive the code from a promotion, a bundle, or a gift, double-check the terms and confirm that it is still valid. If it's expired, unfortunately, entering it again will keep triggering the same error. After that, confirm you are redeeming the code at the correct Epic Games site. Different types of codes sometimes need to be redeemed through specific Epic Games pages or account settings, so if you're using the wrong redemption page, the code may fail even if it is valid. Take a moment to verify that you are on the official Epic Games redemption page and not a third-party website or an unrelated support page. This matters because using the correct site ensures the code is checked against the right system. Now here's another very important step. Confirm that you are signed into the exact Epic Games account where you want the content applied. This is one of the most common reasons people run into trouble. If you're logged into a different account, even a valid code may not work the way you expect, or the content may be applied to the wrong profile. Sign out if needed, then sign back in carefully and make sure it's the right account before redeeming again. If you manage multiple Epic Games accounts, take an extra moment to verify the email address or connected login method so you don't accidentally use the wrong one. Once you've checked the code, confirmed it's still valid, made sure you're on the correct redemption site, and verified the right account is signed in, try redeeming the code again. In many cases, that's all it takes to clear error code 19007. If the problem still continues after all of that, the code may simply no longer be usable, or there may be an account-specific issue that needs Epic Games support to review. But in most situations, these steps will solve it fast. So to recap, Epic Games error 19007 usually means the redemption code is invalid, expired, or entered in the wrong place, and the fix is to carefully verify the code, check expiration, use the correct redemption site, and make sure you're signed into the correct Epic Games account. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe for more helpful gaming fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.